Roots true deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I and I see true illusion. And come again. Midnight crawl pan Kingston road. Curfew and blow like trumpet from Revelation. Babylon lock the city gates, but them can't change the word of Jah. No, no, no. Jah kingdom not sleep. Midnight curfew chant through zinc fence lane. Babylon helicopter circle again. Mother hold Bible while the children pray. Soldier boots echo where the prophets lay. Fire burns slow like the riverside stone. Old dread preacher cry, science soon come. 30 silver coins by corruption thrown, but truth still rise like trumpet from Rome. Jah guide the sufferer. Jah guide the sufferer. Jah guide the sufferer. Curfew can't stop Zion. Watchman standing high on Orange Street wall, reading ancient scripture while the empire falls. Psalm 27 written under candle flame. Though war rise against I, Jah remain the same. Politicians smile with vampire teeth, promise milk and honey but bring pure grief. Hungry youth searching salvation in dust, while parliament drown righteousness in lust. Fire upon corruption, Jah know the hidden works. Babylon, Babylon must fade away. 7 seals open after curfew rain. Blood red moon shine pon the sufferer pain. Lion of Judah rise through smoke and fear. Whisper ancient warning in every ear. False prophet drinking wine beside gold gate. Poor man digging grave for the rich man fate. Yet the humble shall inherit the earth, like Marcos prophecy, rebirth after rebirth. Selassie guide the people. Hear the rebel sounds tonight. By dawn patrol fade from the broken lane. Only Nyabinghi drum remain again. Old tape spinning slow with dusty hiss, like forgotten scripture wrapped in abyss. Curfew never silence the rootsman cry, even when Babylon weapon reach the sky. From trench down gutter to Mount Zion gate, Jah children marching through the fire of hate. March on, march on, Rastafari kingdom come. Midnight curfew chant. Babylon build wall, but Jah build mountain. Babylon build wall, but Babylon build wall. Babylon build wall. Babylon build wall, but Jah build mountain. Roots true deeper than religion. live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. Babylon helicopter circle Spanish town. Babylon, Babylon. Babylon helicopter circle. Babylon helicopter circle. Spanish town can't sleep tonight. Helicopter over like vulture over Safari. Babylon search every corner, but them can't search the soul of Jah people. No chains pan Zion, Rastafari watching. No chains pan Zion, Rastafari watching. Babylon helicopter circle Spanish town. Search like sweep while the rain fall down. Children hide beneath zinc rooftop prayers. Mama whisper psalms through trembling air. Government jeep pass slow by the lane. Hungry youth man soaked in political rain. Them promise freedom during campaign speech. No justice disappear beyond poor man reach. Babylon watching,
just still protect I.
Circle all night long,
just still protect I.
Babylon watching,
just still protect I.
just still protect I. Pilot in the sky like Pharaoh eye, but even eagle wings can't touch Mount Zion high. Book of Exodus written in the dust. Poor people survival built on faith and trust. Spanish town river carry sorrow downstream, while politicians dine and count dirty dream. Oh, roots man chant beside candlelight glow. Every wicked empire eventually a go low. Fire burn corruption,
Truth rise from the gutter.
Selassie know the way.
Truth rise from the gutter.
Fire burn corruption,
Truth rise from the gutter.
Selassie know the way. Helicopter blades beat like war drum sound. Echo through the market and burial ground. Young prophet walking with Bible in hand, speaking revelation across the land. Babylon media twist every truth. Still them can't blind the awakening you, because the lion roar beneath the fear, and the rebel psalms growing louder every year. Hear the lion calling.
Babylon trembling now.
Roots man never bow. Hear the lion calling.
Babylon trembling now.
Roots man never bow. Midnight checkpoint block every road. Still Jah carry suffer a heavy load. From Kingston harbor to Spanish town gate, the poor man fighting against wicked fate. One day the curfew on a go fade. One day righteousness shine through the shade. Till then the vinyl keeps spinning slow. Ancient treble testimony through the radio. Circle all night.
Jah kingdom coming.
Jah kingdom coming.
Jah kingdom coming.
Circle all night.
Jah kingdom coming.
Jah kingdom coming. Babylon fly high, but Jah sit higher. Babylon fly high, but Jah sit higher. Babylon fly high, but Jah sit higher. Rose through deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. Flicker like dying Babylon fire. Yet Jah children still gather beneath the darkness, singing rebel psalms through hunger, through curfew, through suffering. Rastafari live forever. Jah guide the poor man. Rebel psalms beneath broken street lights glow. Spanish town wine make the old zinc moan low. Hungry youth wrapped in a cold midnight air, still chanting scripture like warrior prayer. Babylon office shine uptown gold, while ghetto stories never fully told. Old preacher reading from the book of Kings, warning wicked rulers both judgment it bring. True shall survive. Jah children rising. True shall survive. Jah children rising. Street light flicker like revelation flame. Every sufferer youth no Babylon game. Politicians smile with polish deceit while barefoot children sleep hungry in the street. Jeremiah tears fall through Kingston drain. Nyabinghi drum beat against the pain. Lion of Judah hidden in the smoke, watching every promise wicked system broke. Hear the rebel sounds, Babylon falling low, Zion calling I home, Zion calling I home. Broken battle glitter on the roadside curve. Police siren echo through every word. Still the roots man carry ancient truth, trying to awaken the sleeping youth. Psalm 91 beside candlelight shine. Jah protection stand through troubled time. Even when the helicopters fill the sky, the faithful still fall the hands high. No fear tonight, Selassie guide the way. Mount Zion await, no fear tonight. Selassie guide the way. Mount Zion await. By sunrise only echoes remain. Old double plates spinning through the rain. Street lights dead, but the message survive. Roots and culture forever alive. One day Babylon throne go dust, because empire crumble without justice and trust. Still then the rebel song still chant loud for every forgotten soul inside the crowd. Roots man never fade. Rastafari reign. Roots man never fade. Rastafari reign. Broken street lights fade away, but Jah word can't fade. Rebel sounds, rebel sounds, rebel sounds. Rebel sounds. Roots truth deeper than religion. The real word life in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. And I see true illusion. Jah fire upon the government radio. Every false word them broadcast a go low. Babylon use man selling fear for gold, while hungry mothers suffer in the cold. Politician vice through the speaker scream, but righteousness vanish like forgotten dream. Only static echo through the nation's soul, because corruption finally lose control. Fire upon deception, truth rise again. Truth rise again. Jah kingdom near. Fire upon deception. Truth rise again. Spanish town, you tune transistor late, hearing rebel chants through the iron gate. Old roots preacher speaking prophecy clear. Babylon downfall drawing near. Isaiah warning from the ancient scroll. No wicked throne can govern just soul. Yet them censor every conscious sound. Still the underground message spread around. Hear the rebel station, root signal survive. Babylon trembling now. Hear the rebel station, root signal survive. Frequency filled with disguise, silver tongue preacher telling polished lies. But Jah trumpet louder than politician speech, and the truth always reach who it fi reach. Nyabinghi drums shape the midnight wall. One by one the wicked system fall, because poor man cry reach heaven gate, and judgment soon decide corruption fate. Burn the false kingdom, lion roar tonight, Zion light appear. Oh, do, do, do. Hold up, plate spinning through Kingston red. Static and this carry the pain from trench town gutter to mountainside. The rebel psalm spread far and wide. One day freedom a go flood the street, and justice finally stand on its feet. Till then the roots man chant through the storm, keeping ancient fire spiritually warm. Fire upon Babylon, Jah guide the sufferer, truth forever live. Oh, fire upon Babylon, Jah guide the sufferer. Control the airwaves, but them can't control Jah fire. Da 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 da. Them control the airwaves. Roots too deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. From jungle lane, ancient drum beat travel through the valley tonight. calling the sufferer, calling the exile, calling every lost soul back to Zion. Nyabinghi echo from jungle lane yard, moonlight shine faint through the zinc and shard. Old dread prophet beating ancient skin like thunder rolling where the hills begin. Children gather round the firelight glow, listening to wisdom ancestors know. Babylon system spread fear through town, still the roots man never bow down. Nyabinghi echo, just spirit moving. Nyabinghi echo, just spirit moving. Nyabinghi echo, just spirit moving. Nyabinghi echo. Psalm of David drifting through the breeze, smoke from chalice dancing through the trees. Government curfew lock every gate, but spiritual fire them can't terminate. Jungle lane river whisper low, secrets only ancient sufferer know. Marcus vision written in the sky, black redemption never truly die. Hear the lion roar, Nyabinghi echo, Mount Zion calling. Nyabinghi echo, Mount Zion calling. Nyabinghi echo, Mount Zion calling. Nyabinghi echo. Seven drummers beat beneath moon haze, echo bouncing through the Kingston maze. Police siren fade beneath the chant, because the arm is stronger than tyrant. False leader selling poison dream, while poor man drown in hunger stream. Still the rebel psalm rise from the ground, like hidden scripture waiting to be found. Babylon falling now, roots and culture live, Selassie guide the way. By sunrise, by sunrise, ashes glow soft red. Old preacher resting weary head, yet the echo still remain alive inside every soul trying to survive. Nyabinghi rhythm never disappear, even after passing troubled year, because the drum beat carries sacred flame, and every generation chant your name. Nyabinghi echo, Nyabinghi echo, Nyabinghi echo, Nyabinghi echo. Hear the echo, ancient drum of Zion. Hear the echo, ancient drum of Zion. Hear the echo, ancient drum of Zion. Roots true deeper than religion, the real word life in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see true illusion. Prophets gather beside Kingston Harbor Wall, watching Babylon ship sail through polluted water. Each man carry scripture, each man carry warning, but few ears willing to hear truth, hear Jah warning. Zion await the righteous. 7 prophets beside Kingston Harbor wall, watching wicked empire slowly fall. Cargo ship drifting through midnight tide, while poor man sorrow nowhere fi hide. Oldest prophet wrapped in crimson shawl, reading Revelation through harbor squall. He say Babylon throne built on greed, while hungry children barely feed. Truth rise from the sea, Jah kingdom nearer. Truth rise from the sea, Jah kingdom nearer. Yes, I been second prophet beat Nyabinghi slow. Smoke from chalice rising soft and low. Third man carry ancient Hollywood staff, warning kings about divine wrath. Politician feasting uptown hall, meanwhile suffering echo through the wall. Yet every time return again, like judgment washing away sin. Babylon sinking now, Babylon sinking now. Lion watch the harbor, Rastafari live. Fourth prophet stare through harbor fog, watching heavy lights disappear in smog. Fifth man whisper Psalm 23, Jah prepare the table before enemy. Sixth prophet speak in thunder tone, no corrupt kingdom stand alone. Seventh elder silent through the rain, tears falling for the people pain. Hear the ancient warning, Kingston crying tonight. Yeah, then Kingston crying tonight. Zion shine through darkness, morning sun break through polluted sky. Seagull circle where the dead dreams lie. 7 prophets vanish one by one, like old scripture swallowed by dawn. Still the harbor keep the rebel sound echoing through every ghetto ground, because truth can't drown beneath the sea, and Jah word live eternally. 7 prophets gone, but the message remains. Rastafari forever. Kingston Harbor, remember every prophecy. Even when Babylon forget. Roots true deeper than religion. The real word living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. Ah, na, 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 na. Curfew on. Curfew horns blow again. over Trench Town tonight. Street empty, but suffering still awake. Babylon lock the roads, yet them can't lock the spirit of the people. Hear the warning sound, Rastafari still rise. Curfew ones over Trench Town Lane, children peeping through the window pane. Mama light candle beside the bed, praying stray bullet miss them head. Police jeep crawling through the dark, searchlight flashing like revelation spark. Old rootsman sitting by the gate, warning youth bout Babylon fate. Jah protect the poor, Zion never sleep. 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 Government promise peace and food, still the ghetto overflow with blood. Hungry belly crying through the night, while uptown mansion glowing bright. Psalm 121 on the concrete wall, I will lift mine eyes through the downfall. Nyabinghi drum echo far away, like ancient spirit trying to stay. Hear the rebel chant, Babylon trembling now. 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 Curfew on, oh like wounded beast, still corruption never cease. Politician dine with silver spoon, while you man bury dreams too soon. But Lion of Judah still remain, walking quietly through the rain, and every sufferer holding faith. Despite oppression, hunger, hate, march through the storm. Rootsman never bow, truth survive. Rootsman never bow, march through the storm. Rootsman never bow, truth survive. Forever, by sunrise smoke drift through the yard. Another night surviving hard. Old vinyl spinning rebel sound, keeping hope alive underground. One day curfew honor go fade, one day justice fill the shade. Till then the people chant your name, and keep the rebel fire aflame. Can't stop Zion, Rastafari live on. Rastafari live on. Rastafari live on. Trench Town survive. Babylon horn low tonight, but your voice louder. Babylon horn low tonight, but your voice louder. Roots through deeper than religion, the real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall built. I see through illusion. The lion banner still wave above the sufferer, invisible to wicked eyes, yet clear to every righteous soul. Lion banner rising, Rastafari watching. Lion banner rising, Rastafari watching. Lion banner hidden in the smoke tonight, floating through Kingston beneath moonlight. Old dread prophet standing by the fire, speaking revelation to the tired choir. Babylon skyline covered in haze, political violence set the streets ablaze. Still children gather and chant like ancient warriors in sacred camp. Lion never sleep, truth rise through the fire. Zion calling home, truth rise through the fire. Lion never sleep, truth rise through the fire. Zion calling home. Oh, smoke from chalice drift through jungle lane. Nyabinghi echo carry the pain. Psalm of Moses written on the wall, warning wicked empire bow downfall. Government radio spread disguise, yet lion spirit live inside the eyes of every hungry youth man standing tall, refusing to bow before Babylon call. Run away forever, Babylon fade away. Selassie reign supreme, Babylon fade away. Selassie reign supreme, Babylon fade away. Selassie reign supreme. Ooh, searchlight sweep through the harbor mist, still the truth remain hard to resist, because lion roar beneath the fear, growing louder every trouble year. False prophet dying in luxury heart, while poor man barely standing tall. Yet revelation trumpet soon sound, and wicked throne crumble to the ground. Hear the lion roar, Jah fire burning now. Rootsman survive, Jah fire burning now. Hear the lion roar, Jah fire burning now. Rootsman survive. Bada bim bada bim bada bim bada bim bada bim, yeah. Bada bim bada bim bada bim bada bim bada bim, yeah. Morning break through smoky sky, ashes drift where old dreams die. Still the banner never disappear, because faith outlive every fear. Old up plate spinning through the dawn, ancient rebel psalm living on. From Trenchtown Lane to Zion Gate, righteousness eventually conquer hate. Ooh. Lion banner remain, Rastafari forever. Smoke your eye true. Lion banner remain, Rastafari forever. Smoke your eye true. Lion banner. Da 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 da. Even hidden in smoke, the lion still watching. Lion banner. Lion banner. Roots root deeper than religion, the real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. And I see through illusion. I hear the poor. Oh. Jah always there. Police siren echo through jungle lane. Another innocent drone in pain. All roots preacher by the roadside flame, calling out with it government shame. So far a crying tonight. Rastafari protect I. Babylon must fight. Rainwater dripping from rusty roof. Every ghetto child searching for truth. Politicians smile from campaign van, while poor man struggle best him can. Some 46 scratched on concrete wall. Jah refuge through the downfall. Still helicopter overhead, spreading fear where children tread. Hear the rebel cry, lion watching over I. Truth remain alive. Hold on man, 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 All women sweeping dust at dawn, watching another youth man gone. Broken bottle glitter near the drain, like shattered dreams beneath the rain. Yet Lion of Judah, hidden in smoke, still standing strong while Babylon choke. Because every sufferer carry light, even buried deep within the night. No chains span Zion, Selassie guide the way. Roots man survive the star. Oh, bah. By sunrise, vinyl still spin slow, playing stories only poor man know. Tape is sounding like ancestral grief, mixed with rebel songs and relief. One day zinc fence a go rust away, one day righteousness reveal the day. Till then the people chant Jah name and keep the spiritual fire aflame. So far I survive, Babylon fade away. Rastafari forever. Everything face corner know the truth. Every sufferer carry prophecy. So far a cry, so far a cry, so far a cry. Roots shoot deeper than religion. The real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. Well, na 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 na. Babylon system falling. Babylon system falling. Informal system spread like plague through the ghetto. Brother sell brother for silver and protection. But Jah I never sleep, and every hidden deed must come to light.
Babylon system falling.
Babylon system falling. Informal system tonight. Too much Judas hiding out of sight. Babylon pay them fi betray the poor, then lock the youth behind iron door. Secret whisper travel through the lane, turning family against family again. Still the roots man hold firm and wise, because truth survive beyond disguise. Fire upon betrayal,
Jah reveal the truth.
Rastafari reign.
Rastafari reign. Babylon system falling.
Babylon system falling. Informer sitting quiet near the bar, listening close to every rootsman paw. Then run, carry message to the state, helping wicked rulers manipulate fate. Psalm 12:1 of lying tongue, corrupt words from old and young. Yet no deception built by greed can silence every righteous deed. Babylon spying tonight, lion watching over us.
Truth can't drown away. Babylon system falling.
Babylon system falling. Political vampire, drinking people blood. Informer healthy deep in the flood. Police fan crawling through midnight rain, searching for rebel voice again. But Nyabinghi drum beat shake the wall, calling judgment on them all. Because Jah kingdom built on truth, not fear and manipulation of youth. Love, fear in a Zion.
Selassie guide the way.
Selassie guide the way.
Selassie guide the way. Babylon system falling.
Babylon system falling. One day secret file I go burn. One day Babylon table overturn. Till then the rootsman yard him speech and spread awakening within reach. Hold up plate spinning through smoky airs, carrying rebel fire through the days. From trench town yard to Spanish town gate, informer system seal its fate.
Babylon crumbles slow. Babylon crumbles slow.
Rastafari
forever.
Babylon system falling.
Babylon system falling. Babylon system falling.
Informal system built upon fear, but Jah kingdom built upon righteousness. Roots true deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall built, I see through illusion. Political rainfall heavy over Kingston tonight, washing blood through the gutter, washing campaign posters off the wall. Still the dreadlocks keep walking, searching for light through Babylon storm. Walk on, dreadlocks, Jah guide the righteous. Jah guide the righteous. Ooh, 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 yeah, da 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 da. Ooh, 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 yeah, da 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 da. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dreadlocks walking through political rain, footsteps heavy with sorrow and pain. Babylon siren howl through the dark, while helicopters circle like hungry hawk. Old roots man wrapped in knitted tam, holding revelation in him hand. Street light flicker beside the drain as poor man struggle once again. Walk through the storm, Rastafari lead I, no chains from Zion. Hey, hey, hey. Rainwater flowing through Spanish Town Road, washing tears from the sufferer load. Politicians smiling from billboard sign, while hungry youth stand waiting in line. Psalm 12:1 whisper through the breeze, Jah watch over the weak with ease. Still corruption spread across the land, like poison buried in the sand. Yeah. Truth survive the flood, lion watch above, lion watch above. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dreadlocks passing burned out marketplace, smoke and fear still stand the place. Old woman praying by candlelight glow as police van moving slow. False prophets speaking through government air, selling false hope everywhere. Hitting Nyabinghi drum beat from afar, still awaking every wounded heart. Yeah, hear the rebel chant, Babylon trembling now, Zion still stands strong. Morning rise after endless storm, still the roots man spiritually warm. Through broken lane and rusted gate, carrying faith against wicked fate. Old dub plate spinning soft and low, like ancient wisdom elders know. Because no political rain can drown the Lion of Judah crown. Walk on through rain, Rastafari forever. Storm a go pass away. Jah guide the righteous. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Jah guide the righteous. Ooh, 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 ooh. Jah guide the righteous. Roots truth deeper than religion, the real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. And I see true illusion. Roots truth deeper than ooh, ooh, ooh. Political rainfall heavy over Kingston tonight, washing blood through the gutter, washing campaign posters off the wall. Still the dreadlocks keep walking, searching for light through Babylon storm. Walk on, dreadlocks, Jah guide the righteous. Political rainfall heavy over Kingston tonight, washing blood through the gutter, washing campaign posters off the wall. Still the dreadlocks keep walking, searching for light through Babylon's storm. Walk on, dreadlocks, Jah guide the righteous. Political rainfall heavy over Kingston tonight, washing blood through the gutter, washing campaign posters off the wall. Still the dreadlocks keep walking, searching for light through Babylon's storm. Walk on, dreadlocks, Jah guide the righteous. Dreadlocks walking through political rain, footsteps heavy with sorrow and pain. Babylon siren all through the dark while helicopters circle like hungry hawk. All rootsman wrapped in knitted tongue, holding revelation in him hand. Street light flicker beside the drainers, poor man struck once again. Oh, dreadlocks walking through political rain.
Roots true deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. Fire can consume truth. Burning scriptures at Orange Street, yeah. Flames rising, fierce and hard. Old dread prophets standing through the smoke, watching Babylon system choke. Soldier boots march through the lane, spreading fear once again, trying to silence conscious sound. But rebel psalms still echo round, burn them lies away. Truth remain alive. Rastafari guide I. Ashes floating through Kingston breeze, like prayer drifting through the trees. Psalm of David still remain, even after fire and rain. Politician fear awaken youth, because scripture reveal truth. So them censor books and rebel song. Still Jah children remain strong, burn them lies away. Truth remain alive. Rastafari guide I. Orange Street echo with siren cry, helicopter shadow cross the sky. Nyabinghi drummers beat through haze, calling fire upon wicked ways. Book of Revelation open wide, warning kings them can't hide.
with the flame. And every soul answer name me hear the ancient warning. Fire cleanse corruption, Zion shall remain. By sunrise all the embers glow, still the rebel message flow. All the blades spinning through the dawn, keeping sacred fire living on. Because just scripture written inside soul, far beyond Babylon control. And no flame made by human hand can destroy the promised land. Burning scripture rise, Rastafari forever. Truth can't fade away. Truth can't fade away. Them burn the pages, but them can't burn revelation. Orange Street, remember Jah word eternal.
Roots true deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion.
At Orange Street yard, flames rising fierce and hard. Old dread prophet standing through the smoke, watching Babylon system choke. Soldier boots march through the lane, spreading fear once again, trying to silence conscious sound, but rebel sounds still echo round. Burn them lies away, truth remain alive. Rastafari guide I. Burn them lies away, truth remain alive. Rastafari guide I. Ashes floating through Kingston breeze, like prayer drifting through the trees. Psalm of David still remain, even after fire and rain. Politician fear awakened youth, because scripture reveal truth. So them censor books and rebel song, still Jah children remain strong. Burn them lies away, like a trembling no. Rastafari guide I. Burn them lies away, Babylon trembling no. Orange Street echo with siren cry, helicopter shadow cross the sky. Nyabinghi drummers beat through haze, calling fire upon wicked ways. Book of Revelation open wide, warning kings them can't hide, because judgment travel with the flame, and every soul answer name. Hear the ancient warning, fire cleanse corruption, Zion shall remain. Woo! can't burn revelation. Your word eternal. Orange Street, remember.
Roots true deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. Carry ancient songs, walking through Kingston with faith in him palms. Barefoot journey through suffering lane, still singing praises through the rain. Police checkpoint by the Harbor Road, still Jah help him bear the load. All nitty tam soaked by storm, yet the rebel fire spiritually warm. Carry the sounds tonight. Rastafari guide you. Son of Moses wrapped in cloth, beside little bread and ancient broth. Mama whisper softly before dawn, keep Jah word and carry on. Babylon billboard filled with lies, still revelation living in him eyes. Because no politician control the living scripture in a soul. Babylon trembling now, Selassie reign supreme. Babylon trembling now, Selassie reign supreme. Nyabinghi drums from distant hill, calling the righteous forward still. Old dread elder by candle flame, teach him every sacred name. Remember David against the throne, Jah protect the humble alone. So the youth man march through fear, knowing Zion drawing near. March through the storm, no change pan Zion. Rastafari forever. By sunrise over Orange Street, yeah. The youth man journey still hard, yet ancient sounds remain alive, helping the sufferer survive. Hold up plates spinning soft and low, like ancestral wisdom elders know. Because Jah word never decay. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I and I see true illusion. Through political fire and hungry days, the Zion youth man still carry ancient songs. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see true illusion. Through political fire and hungry days, the Zion youth man still carry ancient songs. Not for fame, not for riches, but for preserve the voice of Jah through Babylon confusion. Carry the sounds tonight. Rastafari guide you. Zion youth man carry ancient songs, walking through Kingston with faith in him palms. Barefoot journey through suffering lane, still singing praises through the rain. Police checkpoint by the Arbor Road, still Jah help him bear the load. All knitted down, so by storm, yet the rebel fire spiritually warm. Carry the songs tonight. Rastafari guide the youth. Zion youth man carry ancient songs, walking through Kingston with faith in him palms. Barefoot journey through suffering lane, still singing praises through the rain. Police checkpoint by the Arbor Road, still Jah help him bear the load. Old knitted down, soaked by storm, yet the rebel fire spiritually warm. Carry the sounds tonight. Rastafari guide the youth. Zion youth man carry ancient songs, walking through Kingston with faith in him palms. Barefoot journey through suffering lane, still singing praises through the rain. Police checkpoint by the Arbor Road, still Jah help him bear the load. Oh, knitted down, soaked by storm, yet the rebel fire spiritually warm. Psalm of Moses wrapped in cloth, beside little bread and ancient broth. Mama whisper soft. Roots too deeper than religion. The real world life in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I and I see through illusion. Jah provide for the poor. Rebel breadfruit market blues again. Rainwater running through the lane. Whole market woman wipe her eyes, still surviving through Babylon lies. Breadfruit roasting by charcoal flame, yet politician never feel the pain. Children hungry beside the stall, while rich man feast beyond the wall. Babylon too greedy. Babylon too greedy. Babylon too greedy. Hey, Babylon too greedy. Spanish town vendor counting small change, watching the world herbs and bread, still more sufferer, spirit dead. Psalm 37 scratch pan wood crate side, just stay close to the righteous guide. Yet every poor man know too well how corruption turn earth into hell. Hear the market cry, truth remain alive. Lion guide the people, truth remain alive. Oh. Police jeep crawl through marketplace square, fear and tension picking at the air. Informer whisper beside the gate, helping wicked manipulate fate. Still Nyabinghi drumbeat from afar, remind the people who them are. Children dancing near firelight glow, while old root stories continue flow. Rebel spirit survive, no chains Panzaya. Selassie reign forever, Selassie reign forever, Selassie reign forever. Oh. Morning sunlight touch rusty zinc, as tired vendor pause fi think. Though Babylon pressure crush the land, still Jah hold the poor man on. Old dub plate spinning, rebel sound echoing through the market ground, because no suffering built by greed can stop the righteous seed. Breadfruit fire still burn, breadfruit fire still burn, breadfruit fire still burn, breadfruit fire still burn. Breadfruit roasting through hardship and pain, still the rebel spirit can die. Market blues, market blues.
Roots truth deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I and I see through illusion.
On the zinc rooftops tonight, but beneath the beauty, Babylon violence still roaming the streets. Gunshot and prayer mixing in a one stone. Jah protect the sufferer. Jah protect the sufferer. Soft upon the zinc, moonlight fall soft upon the zinc, moonlight fall soft upon the zinc, moonlight fall soft, moonlight fall soft upon the zinc rooftops tonight, but beneath the beauty prayer, mixing in a one song.
Moonlight
Over Zion,
Jah protect the sufferer.
moonlight fall, soft upon we. Moonlight fall, soft upon. Moonlight fall, soft upon the zinc rooftops tonight. But beneath the beauty, Babylon violence still roaming the streets. Gunshot and prayer mixing in a one song. Kingston alleyway, silent and low. Mama clutch Bible close to chest. Praying Jah keep the children blessed. Police siren drift through humid air. Fear and tension everywhere. Old dread prophet near the firelight flame, calling out Babylon shame. Rastafari hear the cry.
Truth can't die away.
Truth can't die away.
Truth can't die away.
Moonlight shimmer upon the broken glass. Another young soul gone too fast. Politician talking peace on stage, while poor man trapped in a rage. Psalm 23 whispered near the wall.
Jah walk with I.
True downfall. Yet helicopter overhead, spreading fear where children tread. Hear the rebel sound. Babylon trembling low. Lion guard the weak. Babylon trembling low. Life in a ghetto rough and hard. Still Nyabinghi drums from afar. Remind the people who them are. False leaders feast beneath bright light, while the sufferer struggle every night. But Lion of Judah hidden in smoke, still watching while corruption choke. No chains on Zion,
Righteousness survives.
Selassie reign forever. By sunrise ashes touch the ground. Still hold up play, spinning sound. Tape is carrying ancestral pain, flowing softly through the rain. Because no gunshot stop Jah word, even when Babylon absurd. And every rebel sound remain alive, helping the righteous survive. Moonlight never fade.
Rastafari forever. Rastafari forever.
Gunshot shake the night, but Jah voice deeper than fear. Roots true deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. And I see through illusion. Babylon lock the city gates tonight. Babylon, Jah kingdom beyond curfew gates, far beyond corruption and hate. Police checkpoint block every lane, still righteous soul endure the pain. Moonlight shining on a rusty wire, yet Zion flame burn higher and higher. Old roots preacher by candle glow, teaching truths and ancestors know beyond Babylon wall. Rastafari reign forever, no chains pan Zion. Oh, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Jah kingdom beyond curfew gates, far beyond corruption and hate. Police checkpoint block every lane, still righteous soul endure the pain. Moonlight shining on rusty wire, yet Zion flame burn higher and higher. Old roots preacher by candle glow, teaching truths ancestors know beyond Babylon wall.
Rastafari reign forever,
No chains on Zion.
no chains pan Zion.
Oi. Government radio spread fear tonight, trying to blind the people's sight. Yet Psalm 24 echo through the breeze. Lift up your heads eternally. Hungry youth man walking through rain, still carrying faith through pain. Because no empire built on greed can destroy the righteous seed. Jah kingdom waiting,
Truth survive the storm,
truth survive the storm.
truth survive the storm,
That kingdom waiting,
truth survive the storm.
truth survive the storm. Helicopter shadow across the sky, still Nyabinghi drums reply like ancient thunder from the hills, calling Zion children. Still politician feast behind closed gate, while poor man wrestle with fate. Yet revelation trumpet sound near, warning Babylon and draw near. Hear the kingdom call, Babylon fading now.
Selassie reign supreme,
Babylon fading now.
Selassie reign supreme.
Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. Oh yeah. By sunrise over Kingston town, curfew walls begin crumble down. Hold up plates spinning rebel sound, keeping spiritual fire strong. Because Jah kingdom never fall, it live inside who know them all. And every sufferer holding faith shall one day escape wicked state. Beyond the curfew, Rastafari forever. Zion gates await. Babylon built gates fi imprison the people, but Jah kingdom have no chains. Beyond the gates, beyond the gates. Roots true deeper than religion, the real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. System sermon still sunrise glow, speaker back shake the streets below. Kingston yard back shoulder to shoulder, rebel truth making the people bolder. Selector drop heavy dub plate sound, bassline prophecy through the night. Sermons till morning, Babylon shaking now. Sermons till morning, Babylon shaking now. Police curfew still outside the gate, yet inside the dance hall spiritual state. Nyabinghi drum mixed with dub siren cry, like revelation from the sky. The Psalm 68 echo through the speaker, making every sufferer stronger and deeper. While politicians sleep uptown secure, poor man find healing through the cure. Rootsman gather round, true sound system. Selassie guide the dance. Oh yeah, na. True sound system. Smoke from chalice drift through the crowd. Ancient rebel chants growing loud. Young youth man skank beside the flame, praising John name again and again. All vinyl spinning rough and raw, with tapes and analog flaw. Still the message crystal clear. Babylon downfall drawing near. No chains upon Zion, righteousness survive. No chains upon Zion, righteousness survive. By sunrise the final record spin, golden light touch the people's skin. No hardship waiting down the road, music help them bear the load. Because sound system more than dance, it give the sufferer fighting chance. And every rebel sermon song keep the fire alive among the young. Till sunrise, to sunrise, till sunrise, till sunrise, till sunrise, till sunrise. Forever speak a box alive. Speak a box alive. Speak a box alive. Roots truth deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. Speaker boxes tonight. Tonight the speaker boxes. Tonight the speaker boxes become cathedral. Turntable become pulpit. And every rootsman chant becomes sermon. Till sunrise wash Babylon darkness away. Sound system sermons till sunrise glow. Speaker box shake the streets below. Kingston yard pack shoulder to shoulder. Rebel truth making the people bolder. Selector drop heavy dub play sound. Bassline rumble through the ground. All dread preacher grab microphone tight, speaking prophecy through the night. Tonight, 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 tonight. Sound system sermons till sunrise glow. Speaker back shake the streets below. Kingston yard pack shoulder to shoulder. Rebel truth making the people bolder. Selector drop heavy dub plate sound. Bassline rumble through the ground. Old dread preacher grab microphone tight, speaking prophecy through the night. Tonight the speaker boxes become cathedral, turntable become pulpit, and every rootsman chant becomes sermon, till sunrise wash Babylon darkness away. Tonight sound system sermons till sunrise glow. Speaker box shake the streets below. Kingston yard back shoulder to shoulder. Rebel truth making the people bold. Selector drop heavy dope plate sound. Bassline rumble through the ground. Old dread preacher grab microphone tight, speaking prophecy through the night. Sound system sermons till sunrise close. Speaker box shake the streets below. And every rootsman chant becomes sermon, till sunrise wash Babylon darkness away.
Roots true deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion. Jah cleanse the people. Kingston dust cover the streets tonight, like memory, like sorrow, like forgotten prayers. Yet beneath the hardship, rivers of redemption still flowing unseen. Redemption flowing. Jah cleanse the people. Rivers of redemption through Kingston dust. Poor man surviving through faith and trust. Holding fence shaking in the breeze, while Nyabinghi echo through the trees. Mama sweep yard before sunrise light, still praying children sleep safe tonight. Babylon pressure heavy, Pandilan yet Jah still hold the sufferer, and redemption flowing. Rastafari sustain I.
Truth remain alive.
Every corner carried in pain. Politician promise milk and bread. Still more youth man, spirit dead. Psalm 46 scratch up on the wall.
Jah refuge through the downfall.
Like cool river after drought and flame. Mercy wash away the shame, wash Babylon sorrow.
Lion guide the weak.
Zion drawing near. Helicopter shadow cross the sky.
chains from Zion.
Selassie reign forever.
No chains from Zion.
Selassie reign forever. By sunrise dust begin set to low.
Still hold up plate.
Continue flow. Be a peace sounding like ancient prayer, floating softly through the air. Because the rivers deeper than Babylon wide, and righteousness outlive them all. From Kingston lane to Zion throne, Jah children never walk alone.
River never dry.
Rastafari forever. Kingston survive the storm. Ooh, Kingston survive the storm. Kingston survive the storm. Through Kingston dust, redemption still flowing unseen. Roots, truth deeper than religion. The real word living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Kingston sky slowly turning gray. After curfew, after gunshot, after suffering, the people gather for one final prayer before sunrise. Last prayer tonight. Jah hear the righteous cry. Last prayer tonight. Jah hear the righteous cry. The last prayer before daybreak come. Old rootsman beat slow Nyabinghi drum. Candles flicker beside zinc fence wall, as weary voices softly call. Mama hold children close to chest, praying Jah grant the people rest. Babylon sirens fading out the rain, yet sorrow still remain.
Hear the final prayer.
Rastafari guide I, night nearly gone. Moonlight fading over Orange Street yard. Life in a Kingston rough and hard. Political fire scorched the land. Still Jah hold the poor man on. Psalm 121 rise through the breeze, like ancient river through the trees. Old dread prophet lift him eyes high, searching up beyond the sky. Daybreak coming soon. Truth survive the storm. Lion guard the weak. The plate spinning low and warm, like rebel testimony reborn. Tear piece sounding like ancestral tears flowing through forgotten years. Government promises fade away, yet your word never decay, and every sufferer still stand tall. Though Babylon wish to see them fall, no chains on Zion. Selassie reign forever, faith remain alive. First sunlight touch the other side, smoke and darkness slowly slide. Children wake into another day, still carrying hope along the way. Old preacher whisper one last song before the streets regain them calm, because after every darkest night, just still reveal redeeming light. Daybreak finally come. Rastafari forever, last prayer remain. Night pass away, but the rebel psalms remain eternal.